Hi, my name is Jasmine Lewis, and today I will be demonstrating how to appropriately conduct an APGAR score on a newly born infant and how to perform CPR on the infant if they need it. Our first interaction that we would have with the newborn is when the mother is delivering the newborn. We should look at the newborn's neck and determine whether or not the umbilical cord is wrapped around the neck. And if so, if the umbilical cord is wrapped around the neck, this could foreshadow if the newborn would need extra ventilatory assistance via BVM or extra oxygen. After the newborn has been delivered, we will continue to suction their mouth to remove any foreign substance such as mucus, amniotic fluid, or meconium. Next, we will need to make sure that we place the newborn in a warm blanket, and because the newborn is in a wet environment from the amniotic fluid and it can easily become cold, so this blanket would provide that assistance. After we have the newborn in a blanket, we need to check on the newborn right away. So a brief physical exam is done. One of the first checks is called the APGAR scoring. APGAR scoring is a quick way to evaluate the condition of the newborn at 1 and 5 minutes after birth. The baby's muscle tone, heart rate, reflexes, color, and breathing are checked. Each of the 5 parts is given score of 0, 1, or 2. A baby's APGAR score can be between 0 and 10. The total score means if the score is 7 to 10, the baby doesn't need much extra support. But if the baby is from 4 to 6, the baby needs some extra support and careful monitoring. Now, if the baby is below 3, the baby needs immediate life-saving support. So let's do it. We have a mannequin here, a little baby mannequin. And let's assume that this mannequin was just delivered from the mother, right? So first we need to check the color, and let's just imagine that this mannequin is the color of pink with blue hands and blue feet. So the baby will get a score of 1. Secondly, we need to see if the baby moves. The baby's moving the arms with flexation, and when we try to stimulate by rubbing with the blanket, the baby grimaces. So 1, so a total of 3. So we need to continue to stimulate. And as we do that, the cry is not forceful, so that's also a 1. The heart rate is at the brachial, so when we count, it's at 80, so we have a total of 5. So we need to go back. So a score from 4 to 6, the baby will need a little bit of extra support. And when we do that, we need to have the BVM, and we're going to provide extra supplemental oxygen, 1 breath every 2 to 3 seconds. Continue to give oxygen and monitor while your partner or mother tries to stimulate by rubbing with the blanket on the skin. And we need to recheck the APGAR score. So after we decide that the baby has no heart rate and no respirations and that the APGAR score is at a 0, we need to perform infant CPR on this newly born newborn, right? So we've decided that the brachial pulse is absent and there's no respirations. So with this being a newborn, and we can do it 2 different ways, just assume that this is a 1 respirator CPR, right? So we're going to take our 2 fingers in the center of the sternum near the nipple line, and we're going to press down 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 30 compressions with a 2 breath ratio. Alright, and we get back on it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay? Now let's assume that our partner was able to assist us in this infant CPR, right? So now it's a 2-person rescuer CPR. So 1 person could be bagging while the other person performed compressions. And now the ratio changes from 15 compressions to 2. Sorry, from 30 compressions to 15 compressions with 2 breaths at every interval. So again, we can change with our 2 fingers like this, or we can do an encircling motion with our thumbs on each other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then we're going to have the partner. I'm just going to stimulate 1, 2, and then we're going to get back on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then we're performing CPR because our baby had no heart rate and no breathing. So our goal is to try to regain a heart rate, and also we're trying to provide extra ventilatory assistance by our BBM. And we need to call additional resources.